Welcome back to another vlog. Before this vlog starts, you will see a really quick get ready with me. I just threw myself together. It's not going to be an actual tutorial. It's just more so a get ready with me, because I have the day off today, so I did want to go out and enjoy the weather because it's going to be really nice, and I like nice weather because it just puts me in a good mood. I'll probably go get my car washed, go to the store, see what's new and things like that. Start my day, I wanted to share my gratis bag because I do work for Sephora. If you're new to my channel, we get these bags once a month. This here is the February bag. Grab stuff out of the bag really quick. We got the new House Labs lip oil, and let me just say, you all, I really like this lip oil. Color that I probably wouldn't have picked. I like the guava lip oil. I will try and leave down below the one that I like. It's like a pinky color. I don't know, this is a little too dark, but of course it's free, so I'm gonna use it. On to my next item. This here is new to Sephora. This here is by Kosas. It is a tinted gel, and I did get the color 40 Deep Warm. It didn't come out with a lot of shades, so I just got this one. This is for your no makeup days. So yeah, I got that. A cleansing balm. This here, like I said, is new to Sephora. And I don't know, I'm the type of person, I like to take off my makeup first, like with a makeup wipe, before I go on with a cleansing balm or like a cleansing oil. But I think I will try this, taking my makeup off first. So it's just that when I rub it in my eyes, you know, it's all cloudy and blurry and stuff. And then we got the new Clinique Take the Day Off, another facial cleanser. This here is considered a cleansing mousse. I did try this already, and I will say it's pretty good. I like this better than the makeup balm. So yeah, we got that. And I got another Charlotte Tilbury 6.5. I don't know what's let me see. I don't know the other shade I got. So yeah, I got this. I already have this already. Okay, good. I got the same shade. So it's the 6.5. I'm not going to open it just in case I give it to somebody. My next item is wrapped in this bubble wrap. I had this. I think I have this as well. A moisture boost plumping serum. No, I don't have this, but I do have something else from this particular brand. So as you can see, it comes in a pump. Then we got the, I think I got this already as well. This here is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This here is the new one. This here is the lightweight cream. So this is more for oily skin girls like myself. So because when it says lightweight, it's a lightweight gel cream moisturizer. So yeah, this would be good for me. It says trains the skin barrier to retain more moisture, look of pores, oil control, and healthy rate. Yeah, so yeah, this is good for us oily girls. Things about her skincare, I just haven't really to like one particular brand as of yet, because I just be trying things, and that's not good when it comes to skincare, because it's like how you know if it works. So you know, the Anastasia lip oil, okay, good. I brought one only because of the packaging. I didn't know we were getting one in gratis, because had I known, I wouldn't have purchased this. But I had purchased the Peachy Nude, and this here is, oh shit, it's the same one, Peachy Nude. So yeah, we got that in training product. Got something from Urban Decay. It's an eye pencil in the color Rockstar. Start using, oop, I think I broke the damn pencil. It's like a purple color. It is real creamy. I need to start wearing other colors than black under my eye, but I don't know, that's all I've been using. So yeah, I will be trying that out. They're from Inculus, and it's a serum. So yeah, that's everything we got you all for the month of February. So I have to go ahead and answer this phone, so I will probably turn the camera back on once I come back from my outing. I will talk to you later. Mwah.